being psychic, perceiving multidimensionally, moving beyond basic survival that puts things into a black or white, good or bad category, and having the capacity to bridge the gap to the full spectrum, the nuance, the gray, everything in between, and the ability to see not just 1, 2, or 3 dimensionally in a hyper materialistic sense, but actually be able to perceive all that is through higher mind, hearing, knowing, feeling, seeing. That's the natural progression of our soul's evolution. In case y'all forgot, we are spiritual beings having a human experience. So many of us came in with these abilities, meaning that we can't unhear, see, know, feel what we have experienced directly. You know, what a lot of people are labeling, some of our greatest healers and oracles are sitting in mental institutions right now being labeled as schizophrenics, when what's happening is that they actually have the capacity to pierce through the veil. And it honestly just kind of makes me sick because this has been happening for a long time. You mock us now, but one day you will need us. You see children when they come in, right? They're like very psychic because they're just wide open. Again, it's what we are. Honestly, I can only speak for myself, but I kind of think it was a blessing that I lost some of my psychic abilities for a period of time because, honey, this world is crazy and I needed to develop discernment. You see what happens when people open wide the fuck up and they got no discernment.